Dude,
What the fuck is that?
is that an earthquake?
I think so.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's
No. Shit! My god. Earthquake?
yeah.
What the heck?
We're getting aftershocks.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Just stand in between the doorway. That's where it's stable.
Why in between a doorway?
Walking outside.
Wait, hang on. I'm gonna go outside.
I finish your plan all the time.
What was that?
It stopped.
Oh my god.
That's alright. It's just stopped.
Oh, I wish
I
I
don't
was
want to be running
walking.
outside.
This is. Oh my god. Wow.
Somewhere there might be another one.
Yeah, I know. Stay in the middle of the road, mate. Don't know. I don't know. I don't think so. Where did it? Oh, it's the top, man.
Yeah, it's the fucking top.
Oh my god.